How to add or remove videos from favorites on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, if you are scrolling through and you like some of the video that you want to save, then go ahead and tap on the bookmark icon on the right. It is under the sharing controls option. With this, the video will be added to your favorites video. You can also go ahead and tap on the same icon if you want to remove the video from the favorites. And if you want to remove the video from your favorites that you saved a long time back, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then select the bookmark icon. And in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the videos that you have added to favorites previously. Simply tap on the video that you want to remove from your favorites and then go ahead and select the bookmark icon there, and with this the video will be removed from your favorites. So this is how you can add or remove videos from favorites on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.